AAP and BJP are sparring over in Delhi. There is a new addition, voter list. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has alleged a voter scam in the New Delhi constituency from where AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal is contesting the upcoming assembly elections. Atishi claims that in the past few days, 10% of new voters had been added to the New Delhi constituency electoral roll and 5.5% voters had been deleted. She says these numbers are significant since the constituency has approximately 1 lakh voters and these changes could completely alter the election outcome.
6,167 जो वोट हैं ये नई दिल्ली विधानसभा के कुल 5.77% वोट हैं, यानी 10% वोट को जोड़ना, 5.5% वोट को काटना, इतने में पूरे इलेक्शन में हेर फेर करने की साजिश।
Responding to AAP's accusations, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva said that civil society of Delhi wants to make Delhi free of fake voters and any political party opposing the move will be ousted by the people.
सीधा सीधा लोकतंत्र की हत्या करना, आतिशी मार लेना, अरविंद केजरीवाल, संजय सिंह, राघव चड्ढा ये इस षड्यंत्र में शामिल है। खास तौर से नई दिल्ली विधानसभा को लेकर हमने पहले भी प्रेस में ये वक्तव्य दिया है कि क्या कारण है कि 21 तारीख, 28 तारीख, 29 तारीख और फिर 3 तारीख, इन 4 दिनों में 2 हॉलीडेज हैं, 3 शनिवार और इतवार। उस दिन राघव चड्ढा और संजय सिंह जाकर निर्वाचन अधिकारी को धमकाते हैं, नीचे के अधिकारी को धमकाते हैं और तुम्हें देख लेने की धमकी देते हैं। उसके बाद खुद मुख्यमंत्री आतिशी मार लेना अपने कार्यालय में बुलाती हैं। आप मुख्यमंत्री, आप किसी भी अधिकारी को बुला सकते हैं, लेकिन जब इलेक्शन का काम चल रहा है, कोई अधिकारी अगर इलेक्शन से रिलेटेड काम देख रहा है तो आपको ये हक नहीं बनता कि आप उस अधिकारी को धमकाएंगे। मैं तो कहता हूं कि इन लोगों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए जिन्होंने चुनाव अधिकारी को धमकाने की कोशिश की है, उनको डराने की कोशिश की है और सीधा सीधा मतदान को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश की है।
Kind of voter scam is the Aam Aadmi Party really alluding to? The only scam in Delhi and the big one is the liquor scam, in which all of them have not given any cogent answer till date. With regard to the state election itself, it is more worrisome that the state election of electoral officer is alleging that there is pressure on him and that unnecessarily he's being called for meetings. All sorts of things are being put pressure on him by the Aam Aadmi Party, and therefore this allegation of a scam in the voters list may actually be exactly the opposite. The Aam Aadmi Party must be perturbed that the Election Commission is doing its job as per the Constitution, as per law, and they are unable to make changes in it unnecessarily.
Amid the showdown over voter list discrepancy charge, another person who has written to the chief poll officer is District Election Officer of New Delhi, flagging concerns about political interference and operational disruptions. In a series of letters, the poll officer has alleged undue pressure from the political leaders and sought the guidance of the chief electoral officer. Let's in fact go across to my colleagues Niyamika and Rishabh joining us on the broadcast. Let's first go across to Rishabh. Rishabh, what are these concerns that have been cited by the officer?
Well, if we talk about the voter list in Delhi, there have been allegations and counter allegations from Aam Aadmi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party about deletion of votes. And Election Commission has given their own logic to a lot of these allegations that have been made against Election Commission. They say that only, voters who have valid resident proof in Delhi, or for that matter, people who still live in Delhi, their names have been included, and people who have changed address or left Delhi. Remember, many in Delhi have in recent years shifted to the NCR region as well, and that do not fall under the jurisdiction of Delhi or Delhi Assembly elections, and that's why their names have been deleted, is what Election Commission suggests. Having said that, neither the Aam Aadmi Party has been crying foul, saying that many names have been removed. Remember the bar between JP Nadda, the BJP chief, and Sanjay Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party MP, on the floor of the House in Rajya Sabha, where when Sanjay Singh was talking about the deletion of voters' name from the list, JP Nadda stood and said that, are you talking about Bangladesh?
Amidst the blame game that you were just talking about, Rishabh, we're also playing out details of what the poll officer wrote in that letter to the chief electoral officer. And he very clearly has mentioned that AAP representatives frequently are visiting his office, that the Delhi chief minister is also calling him up for a meeting without any agenda. Niyamika is also with us on the broadcast. These are very serious concerns being raised by a poll officer amidst Aam Aadmi Party alleging that new voters have been added, some voters have been deleted in the New Delhi constituency. The poll officer is also saying that there are discussions regarding electoral rolls that were held, and he's requesting the Chief Electoral Officer now to intervene in the matter.
Well, indeed, it is a very serious concern just ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. The manner in which this letter has been written by the poll officer for the intervention of the Chief Electoral Officer regarding the matter, which he has mentioned that there is a pressure which is being building up on the part of some of the political leaders regarding the addition and the deletion of the voters in the list. As for that reason, he had sought an intervention from the side of the Chief Electoral Officer. But on the other side, we have also seen that how the politics is being played out from both the sides of Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP. There are allegations and the counter allegations which are coming up, as earlier also it was Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh who had made this allegation that the name of his wife has been deleted from the voter list of Delhi, and for that reason they had also mentioned that this is basically a tactics on the part of the BJP to remove the voters of the traditional voters of the Aam Aadmi Party, and that is the only reason why these addition and deletion is being done on the part of the BJP by putting pressure upon the election commission. So now the politics is being played out, and for that reason now the BJP is also reacting over the same. But let's see that how it pans out and what exactly is going to come out from the side of the election commission regarding this.
Absolutely. At the moment, these of course are the allegations that are being leveled by both sides, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party, and amidst all this, a poll officer has also written to the Chief Electoral Officer citing concerns and asking for his intervention. Let's go back to Rishabh. These are allegations of mass manipulation in the voter list. The Aam Aadmi Party has also alleged that these changes are going to lead to an alteration when it comes to the outcome.
Well, definitely, Swati, if we talk about, the allegations that have come in from Aam Aadmi Party, and as Niyamika was also pointing out, that Aam Aadmi Party do feel that there are mass deletion of voters, and this has been done to, in effect, to influence the elections. Aam Aadmi Party time and again have held press conferences, have had, social media posts on the floor of the House in Parliament, have spoken that how deletion of votes are actually being done deliberately to influence the demography, influence the vote share of Aam Aadmi Party, and that is the reason that it is being done ahead of assembly elections. While poll officers have been very clear that there have been a lot of pressure from Aam Aadmi Party, while there is not much substance to their argument for that matter. On the floor of the House, remember, Swati, when Sanjay Singh was talking, he made this whole deletion of vote a Purvanchal mudda, Purvanchal issue on the floor of the House, saying that people who have come in from Bihar, people who have come in from Eastern UP, people who have come in from Jharkhand are being removed from the voter list. Are they Bangladeshi infiltrators?
All right. Rishabh, stay on with us. We also have Akanksha joining us from the BJP headquarters. The poll dates are going to be announced, Akanksha. Ahead of that, this fight over manipulation of the voter list is only intensifying.
Well, absolutely, Swati. See, just ahead of this crucial press conference, just in some time, Delhi BJP, in fact, President is going to address a press conference just some time. But let me take you through the BJP headquarters and sort of messaging that Bharatiya Janata Party wants to send out. There's this slogan here, "Ab nahi sahenge, badal ke rahenge." Remember, this was also one of the slogans that was given by the Prime Minister as he led the charge, as he led the campaign in the national capital. He said, "Ab nahi sahenge, badal ke rahenge." He had also said that sharpening attack against Aam Aadmi Party, raising the issue of Sheesh Mahal as well, and that is why they've also put up, in fact, this here to show the 3D model of Sheesh Mahal. So in this way, the Bharatiya Janata Party Delhi office has put up posters, 3D models here at the party office for the party workers to come and see here and see for themselves the 3D model and also read the slogans here. There are a lot of posters also set up here which mentions that Bijli aur Pani ke mehenge bilon ka boj, also listing out Bagoda Kejriwal, that has been written here, listing out everything that he's done in the last few years. So this is how the BJP is giving out the message. In just some time, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva will be addressing a press conference just 3 hours ahead of the crucial press conference by the Election Commission. But as you also pointed out, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have leveled a big charge against the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Absolutely. In fact,
as far as the
more reactions coming in. Akanksha and Rishabh, stay on with us. We have some breaking